Hello, and in this video, I'll be reviewing how to grab Wave server and client logs. And to start, we'll start with the most quickest and easiest. So on the server, once you've loaded up Wave, if you right click and you're using an admin elevated account, you can just click on server logs, and then it'll take you to a web page. We'll just click advanced and proceed. And here we have a list of basic logging information from Wave that you can either Control A to select all, or just select the most relevant time. And again, these are basic server logs, just showing you, okay, has there been any network errors, high quality catalog, low quality catalog, server restarts, some information regarding the workstation VMS server. So you have those. Now, by default, the client application logs are not set to debug levels, meaning you're not going to be able to grab the client logs by default. It has to be enabled. So to do this, we're going to go to the registry editor, type regedit. And obviously you'll need administrative privileges to get to this point. But we're going to navigate to HKey current user, software, Hanwha, Wisenet Wave client, and then we'll find the log level right here, log level string, double click, and type in all caps debug, hit OK. Now that those are set to debug, we just need to restart the client. So let me close out of regedit, close, reopening Wave. And while that is restarting, we're then going to navigate to the C drive, users, the username, app data, local, Hanwha Wisenet Wave client, and log. And here we can grab all of the debug log level logs here. Again, they're all text documents, very useful in case you need to send logs over to tech support to further elevate any cases you may have. Thank you for watching.
To learn more about this and other exciting Hanwha products, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at hanwhasecurity.com.